Want to use Practice Better for lead generation? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to leverage the software to grow your leads efficiently, plus I'll share some alternatives that might be better suited for your needs. Stay tuned, because at the end, I'll reveal an exclusive extended free trial for Practice Better and its competitors that you won't find anywhere else. First, let's talk about Practice Better's client management features. The software is designed to help practitioners and businesses manage their leads, clients, and appointments seamlessly. This is great for lead generation because it allows you to collect and store client information in a structured way. Once you've connected your website or social media to Practice Better, new visitors can easily book appointments or get in touch with you. Next thing, Practice Better lets you automate the intake process. When leads sign up, you can have them fill out custom forms that help you qualify them before they even reach out. These forms can include everything from basic contact details to more specific questions about their needs, which helps you filter out leads that aren't a good fit. The third thing, Practice Better's email automation feature is key for keeping leads engaged. You can set up automated email sequences to nurture potential clients over time. Whether it's a series of welcome emails or follow-up messages, automating this process saves you a lot of time while keeping your audience engaged. Now, let's talk about Practice Better's booking system. One thing to note here is that while the system is pretty user-friendly, some users feel that the scheduling interface could be more intuitive. It does offer integration with Google Calendar, but it's not always the smoothest experience when syncing across different platforms. The fourth thing, Practice Better's built-in client portal is a great tool for retaining and engaging leads. By offering a personalized space for clients to access your services, track their progress, and communicate with you, the software helps build trust and encourages long-term relationships. However, this feature is not always as robust as some competing platforms, which might offer more customization options or a more seamless integration with third-party tools. Finally, Practice Better does offer a free trial, but it's fairly limited. If you're looking to test it out for lead generation, you might feel like you're hitting some walls once the trial ends. For those who want to scale, the paid plans offer more features, but for smaller businesses or solo practitioners, it may not be the most cost-effective option. Now, if you're still with me, you're probably wondering, is Practice Better the best tool for lead generation? It's certainly solid, but there are other options out there. For lead generation specifically, platforms like CompetitorName offer more targeted features for building funnels and automating lead nurturing. These platforms integrate more easily with CRM systems, giving you a more powerful lead management solution. So here's the deal. If you're looking for Practice Better, I've got an exclusive, extended free trial for you, only available through the link in the description. But I also want to point out that there are alternatives like CompetitorName that may serve your lead generation goals better, and they also offer free trials. Use the link in the description to get the best free trials and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on optimizing your lead generation today.